A, does the law prohibit it? B, does the law permit it?
You have been working in the corporate for more than 4 decades, and you have a very diversified experience from being a lecturer at various universities to being the vice president at TATA Infotech. So according to you, what do you think the most important parameters are that managers must keep in their mind while making decisions?
Very good question. In making decisions, things have become extremely cross-functional now. The days are gone when any one department or any one dimension of an issue was enough to be considered. Today you have to have a multi-dimensional view, and therefore it's very important that you look at it from 2 angles, from corporate governance angle. A, does the law prohibit it? B, does the law permit it? Or to do that, you have to brief your general counsel, who is an in-house lawyer, or your company secretary, or both. A very important thing to remember while doing this is to brief them in advance, to involve them in the decision-making plans and the various things that you plan to do in great detail. If your description of the plan is inadequate, their answer to you will be inadequate. It will be a case of what I call the backward-facing lawyer. If you are traveling from Mumbai to Pune and you are facing Pune in a train while traveling to Pune, you will see everything at both cost to which is understandable. But assume that your seat is facing Mumbai and in a train the seat can face the other way. And you are still traveling from Mumbai to Pune, you still see everything that goes past you, but you see it after it has gone past you. And that is the danger. When you don't brief your general counsel or your company secretary or your in-house lawyer in advance and involve them in the decision making.